Hi, hello children. How are you? Hope all are fine. All had a good time. Okay. So all are fine, isn't it? Okay, children. Yes. So tell me, where do you live? Where do you live? So some may answer, I live in Hyderabad. Like that place's name we say. But we all need a place to live. Isn't it? Yes or no? Okay. So people build houses, apartments for them to live. They stay inside that building. Isn't it? Why? Because we all need a shelter. So house protect us from rain, heat, thieves, animals, isn't it? So that means we all need shelter. We all need a house to live. Yes or no? Yes. So people build houses, apartments for them to live. Okay. Yes. So we all need a shelter. We all need a house to live. So a house is called a home. A house is called a home when we live with our family. We are living with our family in the house, isn't it? Parents, father, mother, children forms a family. So we live with our family. So then the house is called a home. A house is called a home when we live with our family members. Who are your family members? Who all are living with you? Father, mother, sister. Some may have sisters, some may have brothers, isn't it? Maybe two sisters, maybe one brother and one sister, isn't it? So we live happily with our family members in our house or in our home, we say, isn't it? Now, in our house, there are some places where we do a particular thing. Like if you want to go and sleep, where you go? In the house. The house itself we have space to sleep and rest. Isn't it? We go to the bedroom to sleep. Isn't it? Bedroom we say. So to drink water, or we say to cook food, to take water from fridge, where we go? To cook food, mother has to go to kitchen. Kitchen, isn't it? To drink water, if you have fridge at home, you have to take water from fridge. Otherwise, your mother may put water in some jug or a vessel. There you go and take the water, isn't it? So in kitchen your mother cook the food. Suppose you want to go to bathroom to clean yourself, to bath. Where you go? To bathroom, isn't it? So in house we have different rooms, we say. Each house has different rooms and each room is special for us, isn't it? There is a room for us to sleep. There is a room for us to bath. There is a room to cook food. So different rooms are there in the house. So today we are going to learn about rooms in the house. Rooms in the house. Okay, children? What is our topic today? Rooms. Rooms in the house. Lesson number 12. Okay, children? So, children, rooms in the house. Let us read your textbook. A house has many rooms, isn't it? A house has many rooms. House has many rooms and each room is special for us. Rooms are used for different purposes. There is a purpose for each room. Like I said, bedroom is for sleeping, kitchen is for cooking food, like that, isn't it? So let us see each room in a house or each room in a house. Okay. So the first one is about bedroom. Okay. Bedroom is the room where we sleep and take rest. Bedroom is the room where we sleep and rest, we say. Okay. Now tell me, children, what are things you can find in a bedroom? In a bedroom, what all things are there? Tell me. Yes, bed. Bed is compulsory. Then only we can sleep on that, isn't it? A bedroom contains bed. A bedroom has bed. Then bed with pillows, blankets, isn't it? Then yes, fan. Then lights. Then almirah, etc. So a bedroom has all these things, isn't it? Bedroom is the room where we sleep, and in bedroom we have fans, lights, almirah, bed, isn't it? Let's see, let's read. Bedroom. It is the room where we sleep and rest. We have a bed, almirah, cooler or AC in our bedroom. In some bedroom, in some houses, in bedroom they have coolers. In summer, so hot, so cooler will be. In some houses, in bedroom they have AC, cooler, otherwise AC, isn't it? So bedroom is the room where we sleep and rest. A bedroom has bed, fan, lights, almirah, cooler, AC, etc. Isn't it? Okay. Then coming to the next room. Okay. Which is that bathroom. Okay. Bathroom. Bathroom, it is the room where we take a bath. Children, where we take a bath? In the bathroom. That's why it is called bathroom, because we are taking bath in this room, isn't it? It is the room where we take a bath. In bathroom, what all things you can find, children? Yes, tell me. Yeah, tap is there. Under the tap, bucket is there. Mug is there. Then wash basin will be, towel, isn't it? In bathroom we can find all these things. Okay, let's see what all things are there in the bathroom. Nowadays we can say washroom also. Okay, so bathroom, it is the room where we take a bath. We have water taps where we get water. Shower, to bath, shower will be. Then shampoo, soap, isn't it? To bath ourselves we need shampoo or soap. Buckets, wash basin in our bathroom. So in our bathroom we have water. Bathroom is the place or the room where we bath. And in bathroom we can find what all things are there in the bathroom? Water taps. Then shower, 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 soaps, buckets, etc. We can find all these things in the bathroom, isn't it? So in house there are different rooms in the house, and in the bedroom is the room where we sleep and rest. In bedroom we can find bed, lights, fan, cooler, AC, etc. Isn't it? And we bath in the bathroom. Bathroom is the room where we take bath. There we can find water taps, buckets, soap, shampoos, wash basin, towels, etc. Isn't it, children? Okay. Okay, children. So, tell me where your mother cook food, delicious food, the food which tastes so yummy, so tasty. If you are feeling hungry, your mother prepares delicious food for you, isn't it? Where she prepares food, children? She prepares food in which room? Bedroom. In bedroom she prepare food? No. Then where? Your mother prepares food in the kitchen. Yes, kitchen. 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 So, kitchen is the room where we cook food, or your mother cook food, isn't it? Kitchen is the place we prepare food or cook food. So, name some things that you find in the kitchen. Yes, to cook food we need gas cylinder, or we say stove, gas stove, cylinder. Then we find some kitchen utensils like plates, glass, spoons, vessels, etc. Then in kitchen we find what else things? Knife, isn't it? To cut vegetables we need knife, etc. etc. we can find in the kitchen. What else we can find in the kitchen? If you have a refrigerator, a fridge, we place it near the kitchen only, isn't it? Okay, refrigerator. So these are the things we can find in the kitchen. So let's read, okay? Kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. It is the room where we cook food. We have utensils, U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. Utensils means, as I said, plates, vessels, glasses, etc. Then gas stove. In kitchen we find gas stove. Then what else? Refrigerator also in our kitchen, isn't it? So kitchen is the room where we cook food. In kitchen we have utensils, gas stove, fridge or refrigerator we say. Refrigerator, what is spelling, children? Spell it R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator. Refrigerator. Okay. So kitchen is the room where we cook food. In kitchen we have utensils, U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, utensils, gas stove, G-A-S, gas, S-T-O-V-E, stove. Then we find refrigerator in the kitchen, R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator. Okay. Now the next room. Which is the next room we are going to learn? Drawing room. Drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing room. R-O-O-M. Drawing room. What is this room for? Let's see. It is the room where we meet our guest. We invite guests into this room. If any guest come to our house, we make them sit in this room, okay, to meet our guest. Drawing room is the room where we meet our guest, to meet guests. Okay, to meet our guests, or we invite the people to sit there. Okay. We have sofa, table and chairs in our drawing room. In drawing, to make the people sit, we need sofa, chairs, isn't it? So we find sofa there, then chairs. We can find fan there, isn't it? Etc. Okay. So drawing room is the room where we invite our guest, or we meet our guest. There we find sofa, chairs, table, etc. Okay, children. So kitchen is the place where we cook food, and we have utensils, gas stove, refrigerator in the kitchen. We invite guests in which room, children? Or we meet our guest in which room? In the drawing room. Okay. There we meet guest. G-U-E-S-T-S. T-S. Guest. Okay. There we find sofa, chairs, tables, fan, etc. Okay. Now, do you have a special room in your house to study, to learn, to read and write, to do your homework? Do you have a special room? If you have, then the name of that room is a study room. What is that? A study room. Study room. Study room is the room where we study. To study, we have a room called study room. We have a study table. To study in that room, we need to sit, isn't it? We have to keep our books also. So there will be a chair, a table, and to keep all other books, we need a shelf, we say, to keep the book. So bookshelves, we say. Okay, a cupboard kind of. So study room, it is the room where we study. We have a study table, bookshelves, chairs and lamps in our study room. So in our study room, we can find chairs, tables, bookshelves, chairs, C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs, tables, bookshelves, book, to keep our books. Bookshelves, S-H-E-L-V-E-S, bookshelves. Then we need fan also, isn't it? If we are feeling hot, we have to switch on the fan. Then lights. That room should have sufficient light, isn't it? Then only we can nicely read and study the lessons, isn't it? Yes. So study room is the room where we study. There a table is table, chair, fan, lights, bookshelves. These all things we can find in the study room. Okay, children?